let's say you get pushed or you jump in front of the train and you don't die. What happens? You get caught between the train and the platform. There's only one way to get you out of it. We call emergency service unit, ESU. They come and they bring something, it's like an airbag. They call it an airbag. They put it right next to you and they blow the train back. It's the only thing to rock the train off the track. So it goes like this so you can get in.
Yeah.
The only problem is that you're mangled in there. So as soon as they do that, your insides fall out. Body just bleh.
Yeah.
So there's been times, I haven't seen it personally or whatever, but there was a guy that I work with who he actually had to make this call. Call your loved ones. Yeah, tell them you're gonna die. As soon as we separate, you're going to die. So make your last wishes and phone calls and all that kind of shit.